Hey, what's up everyone? Johnny the Geek here. Welcome to It's Good to Be Geek. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Keycool 84 key rainbow LED keyboard, mechanical keyboard, and this is a specific Kailh blue switches. I picked this keyboard up from Massdrop a little while back. I forgot how much. I think I paid like 65 bucks plus shipping and the LEDs or the tax or all that stuff. I think it came out to about $82, right? Links to it will be in the description as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box here. This is, yes, Keycool Hero Glow 87, white case, blue Kailh, white ABS shine through keys, rainbow backlighting, and here's the specific model number, right, designation there, 87. I'm sorry, did I say 84? Shit, I meant 87, right? And so here is the packaging. I like this, that it's like a kind of a slip-on type of deal here. It's actually supposed to go this way, right? Reduces less packaging consumption, and it looks kind of cool. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up. We have here a nice protective plastic key protector here, which is pretty nice, right? Then we have the cable already installed, braided, white. We'll set this down. We'll get to this in a little bit. Let's take a look at what we get inside. Some literature here. We have stuff in Chinese, and this is like all of the key functions here that you press. It's not in English, so I have no idea what the heck any of this does, but I guess I'll try to play around with it and figure it out. I'm pretty sure there's a video online somewhere of the various key presses and what it does. Anyways, moving on to a brochure of the various ones that they have here, right? I'm pretty sure you could find all this online. And Keycool. Alright, next we have a Velcro strap here, so that I guess you can Velcro the cable if you wanted to. Then we have the key puller, right? This is pretty heavy duty here. Oh, it's two different type of key pullers. This is a more traditional one. This is a little more fancier one. I guess it depends on the type of keys that you got installed there. And that's pretty much it for the what's in the box, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the keyboard now. Take the protective cover off, right? And voila, there we go. That might actually be a little too bright and blown out. How's that? Excellent, right? I'd like the font on here, and it's pretty nice looking font, right? Very bold, easy to see, right? It's supposed to be shine through. We'll see that in a little bit. And so here we have all the keys, and the chassis is white, and it's a kind of a satin white. It's not a glossy. Nothing on here is glossy. So are the keys. They're also kind of a matte kind of a finish on there. They're smooth, no textures, because it's ABS. Usually PBT has a texture on it, right? And then here we have some of the alternate or function keys in blue there, and everything that it does. Okay, so let's take a look at the bottom here. Pretty standard affair. You got rubber feet here, and then the stands also rubberized, right? This came out a little bit. Here is like sort of the guard for the USB cable here, and this is a USB, I want to say USB type B, USB 2.0 type B. Oh, that actually doesn't come out. Huh, wow. Okay, usually it's the kind that comes out. Wow, that's new to me. Anyways, there you go. That's the bottom side of it. You can also run the cable down the sides here if you wanted to, right? I keep thinking that this is a plug and that I'm gonna bend it and break it, but apparently it's not. Apparently it's a cable that goes right in there. I wonder what would happen if the cable broke or something, right? Or if I wanted to change the cable. It's probably going to be a pain to replace. All right, so that's that. I actually went the wrong way. Right here. Gotta go this way. So let's go ahead and check out what the LEDs look like. Alright, so here we've got the keyboard plugged in, and I'll go ahead and do the first set of lighting effects. Now if you see here, all of the LEDs is a specific color. You cannot change any of the color there, right? So what you see here is what you get. The top row here is going to be red, and then orange, blue, green, purple, and then a pinkish, and the space bar is blue, and this is orange, red, right? So that's pretty much it. You can't change the color. However, there are lighting effects, right? Different modes. So the first one, as you saw there, was just a brightness, adjusting the brightness, going function up and down, right? And then if you do function left, right? So this does this cool effect. This is really cool, actually. Every time you press a letter, it just, wherever you press at, it shoots the colors in both directions, right? So that's pretty cool. Then the next one is sort of this snake effect, right? It doesn't do anything else while you're typing the keys there. And then the next one is as you press, the key lights up for about a second, right? Right, which is cool. So then the next one, that's pretty much it. So I'm wondering if you can adjust, yeah, so you can also adjust the brightness both up and down, right, in all of the different modes there, right? And then let's see what else. There is function insert is for the, what does it say? Function insert is the 6 key N key rollover, and then function home is a 24 N key rollover. Function delete 30 millisecond. I'm not sure what that does. Function delete. Huh, yeah, I'm not sure what the 30 millisecond, 40 millisecond, 50 millisecond, if that means maybe like response time or something. I'm not sure. Or function 2, what does that do? Oh, these are profiles that you could save. So let's say, for example, if you wanted just these keys to be lit up. So let's say I want WASD and the arrow buttons here, and maybe the spacebar buttons, and maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, however you want that. Then you hit function 2, and that saves that profile there. So if you do function 1, there's one profile. Function 3, no. Function 2, that's that, right? And then you basically have your 5 profiles that you could save in there, and that's pretty much all that I can sort of think of for now or decipher from this, playing around with this. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. Let me go ahead and change this back to the full color. Let's get a nice close-up shot of the full color here, right? Hopefully it's gonna come out looking good on here. Let's see if I kind of adjust a little bit, right? It is very bright, which is a nice looking keyboard here. It's probably going to be like get dirty real easily, being that it's so white, but nonetheless, if you take good care of it, should be okay. If you want to hear what it sounds like, uses a Kailh blue. I'll go ahead and take off one of the keys here. Right? Just to see what it looks like here. Alright, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing and overview of the Keycool 87 key Glow Hero keyboard. For more unboxings like this, be sure to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.